Hi everyone and welcome. In this home practice session, we're going to explore Ustrasana, the camel pose. And we're going to use an inverted chair for support for the hands. This is from A.L. Shifrani's book, Extended Chair for Yoga. I find that this variation is really nice with the chair because the chair seat is slanted. There's a different action that you get as opposed to using bricks for height for the hands. I find that you get a little bit deeper into the sternum, into the upper chest, and it accesses the shoulder blades more so you can get that lift of the sides of the chest and the sternum. Okay, so let's start. Because I'm on a harder surface, I'm going to fold the mat in half, just for a little bit of extra cushioning on the shins and on the knees. Then you take your chair and you're going to turn your chair upside down, placing the chair on the mat. Then you step into the chair. So those that have longer shins, you'll need to lift the chair up using the back legs and just tuck your knees in. And you'll see that when I let the chair release, the chair seat is actually putting some pressure onto my heels. This is really nice. I find that it's very helpful for getting that part of the leg just near the ankle, just above the ankle and the bottom of the shin, getting that to move down with the pressure of the chair seat. Then you check your alignment, so the knees will be hip width apart, the feet will be tracking the knees so that the feet are hip width apart. You press the feet down, and you're going to keep the legs in this vertical position. Then roll the shoulders down the back and start to lift the sternum up towards the ceiling. Take your hands back and place them on the chair legs. You can start to slide down, and as you do, you again move the shoulder blades into the back, tailbone, mid-buttocks forward, and you press the feet down. You can stay here. This is good work. Others who would like to go a little bit deeper, you take your hands to the chair seat, the back of the chair seat. Fingers are pointing backwards, and then you push your heels, the heels of the hands into the chair seat to get this side chest lift. Okay, I keep the legs vertical. If the neck is okay and if the chest is opening, then take the head back. And then to come out, bring the chin back towards the sternum, press into the shins, lift the chest up, and then you can step out of the chair. So we'll leave us a few additional notes in the note section below the video, and we wish you very happy practicing. Namaste.